Hi friends, welcome back to Cleaning with Saba. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel or clicking on this video to watch it. In this video, I will be starting off with cleaning my main washroom, and here I am using my Dawn dish soap and my Scrub Mommy. So in this video, I do not show you me cleaning my toilet, but rest assured I did clean my toilet. I just did not videotape it. I don't know about you, but for me, I do not really like to see people clean their toilets. That's just a personal preference. I don't know if you would like to see me clean my toilet. Please let me know in the comments below if you would like to see how I clean my toilet. But for this video, I just cleaned my sink and my counter area, and I deep cleaned my tub. Oh, that's nice. Also, I just wanted to say a quick shout out to all the moms out there. Happy Mother's Day. I hope your family has planned something super amazing for you, and I hope that you are so spoiled on this very, very special day. I try my best to do like keep up cleaning with my washroom. So like I'll check the toilet if it needs like a little bit of a refresh, or I'll check the sink, I'll check the tub. But I do not do this type of cleaning like every single day. I do, however, try to do this type of cleaning at least weekly, because this is the most used washroom in my condo. The other one we don't really use that much. It's more like a guest washroom, if you say. But this washroom needed a super duper clean. Now here I'm taking down my shower curtain, and I'm going to replace the plastic piece at the back, because over time it gets very mildewy at the bottom and it gets very dirty. So I'm going to pop the cover in the garbage, and I'm going to put the cloth shower curtain into the wash with a little bit of Tide soap and a bleach, and then you will see me later on in the video put it right back, and it's wet when I put it back, and it just air dries. This scrubber that I'm going to use to scrub my tub has saved my back. It is amazing. It is so good. It comes with 3 different sponges. So it has like a soft bristle one, and then a medium kind of grade, and then a really, really hard one. So right now I'm just using the soft bristle to just, scrub and clean the tile in the tub. But I bought this on Amazon. Let me know. I can, share the link in the details below. I am very new on YouTube, so please pardon my camera skills. I know some of my videos are a little bit, shaky, but that's just because I'm just trying to figure out how to hold a camera and clean at the same time. I did start actually my channel 3 years ago when I had my daughter. However, I did stop because it got very busy with my daughter, and then I just kind of lost track of time, and I just stopped my YouTube channel. But I did start up because I want to inspire all of my viewers. I want to bring you along with me on my journey of cleaning my condo, showing you my tips and tricks on how I keep my condo clean, maybe some mom life stuff. So if you really would like to see more of that, please don't forget to like my video, and please subscribe to my channel. That will really help me grow my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I didn't show this in the beginning of my cleaning video, but I did put my bath mats also into the wash. Again, I just used a little bit of Tide and a little bit of bleach and put them in a hot cycle, and they came out really nice and white and clean. So as you can see here, I'm putting on a new liner, and I'm putting on my clean shower curtain. I just bought this liner from Dollarama for like $4, and I actually really like it because it's actually super long and it keeps the water out, whereas the other one was a little bit short. And here, as you can see, I'm looking for the last hook and I couldn't find it, but it was on the floor the whole time. Next on the to-do list, the never-ending to-do list, may I say, is my very, very nasty, dirty dishwasher. I did not realize how dirty it had gotten until I opened the little filter that's at the top where the steam comes out when it's drying. Oh my goodness, it's right here. I'm washing it right now. I nearly fainted because it was so gross. I was absolutely like really devastated because I'm like, oh my goodness, like I'm washing dishes and I am using those dishes and eating from those dishes and it's dirty. So how can a dishwasher that's meant to clean when it's so dirty? So here I'm using my very trusty Rubbermaid like a scrubber, and I am also using Dawn Power Wash, which those two things are like amazing and which I probably use on a daily to clean the condo. So yeah, it's don't forget to clean your dishwasher because we need to also keep cleaning the things that clean for us as well, right? They need maintenance as well. So just a friendly reminder, if you haven't checked your dishwasher, maybe now is the time to do so. So now that I'm putting everything back in the dishwasher, the last step what I do is I'll put some vinegar in a mug and then put it on the top rack and start the dishwasher. The vinegar will just clean out the whole dishwasher, make sure it's, squeaky clean. And then I will take my trusty Wyman's appliance cleaner right here, steel wipes, and I'm just going to clean the outside of my dishwasher. So I'm using this wipe, and then I'm just going to use a paper towel. This is a paper towel here to just kind of polish it and make everything look flawless. So now here the dishwasher is done cleaning. Now I'm showing you that it's super clean, smelled nice and vinegary, and it was just great. Now I'm so happy to use my clean dishwasher forever now.